In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Charles Schwab joint account. A joint brokerage account is an investment account shared by two people, such as spouses, partners, or family members, where both owners can manage the account equally. Before you start, it helps to know how ownership works. Many people choose joint tenants with rights of survivorship, where if one owner passes away, the other automatically becomes the full owner. Another option is tenants in common, where each person's share goes to their estate. In certain states, married couples may also see community property as an option. Pick the structure that matches your estate planning preferences. To get started, head to the official Charles Schwab website and open the account opening page. Choose Brokerage and Trading, then select the Joint Brokerage account under the Schwab One options so the account will be shared between two people. From there, click to open an account online and confirm you're applying for a joint account. You'll be asked to enter information for both owners. That includes legal names, dates of birth, contact details, social security numbers or tax IDs, employment information, and a brief financial profile. Make sure both people complete their sections accurately and that everything matches government IDs and tax records to avoid delays. It's a good idea to have your identification and bank details handy when you start. Next, choose the ownership type. If you want the surviving owner to take full ownership automatically, select JTWROS. If you prefer each person's share to pass through their estate, choose Tenants in Common. If you're married and live in a state that recognizes community property, that option may appear as well. If you're unsure, consider your broader estate plans before selecting. Then decide on account features. You can open a standard cash account or request margin if you plan to borrow against your investments. Remember, margin adds risk and requires approval. You can also request options trading access if appropriate for your experience, and opt into services like check writing or a debit card for convenient access to funds. Before submitting, review every entry carefully, read the terms and disclosures, and confirm your agreements. After you submit, Schwab may verify your identities and could request additional documentation. Keep an eye on your email and account messages. Once approved, fund the account through a bank transfer via ACH or wire, by transferring assets from another brokerage, or by depositing a check. Most Schwab brokerage accounts have no minimum to open, but you'll need available funds to place trades. That's it. Your joint account is ready to use.